So let me ask you, what gear is your motivation in? Take just a minute and ask yourself that question this morning. Right now, at this time in my life, in my work, am I in park? Am I in neutral? Am I in reverse? Or am I moving ahead in drive? So let's take a look at these gears. The first one is park. Park all by itself is not necessarily a bad thing, because you could be in park, like I said a minute ago, simply to get some rest. But most of the time when we are in park, we're not moving. We're static. And when we're not moving and we're static, we're waiting. Now, how many of you are like me and you can be very impatient waiters? Americans especially, we don't wait very well. And when we're waiting, that often gives birth to a lot of complaining. So when people are in park, whether it's with their business or some aspect of their life, if they're not moving forward, they tend to start doing a lot of complaining.